outside.
Me and my mom on the...
Oh, that water's running down the seat, nice. Jackie, you ready?
You got the camera.
Hi. Oh.
You will get wet.
No.
Make it so.
It's like no. You drop that one.
Say hi to the camera.
We thought we were gonna get it. That was a sneaky move.
No, he got the little one. You guys will get the big one.
No, you never know. Don't say that.
I can't
They're
wait.
not going to get that big one. They're going to get that big
Shut
one.
up.
You shut up.
Don't jinx us.
Whoa.
They're going to get that big one. Well,
He's fine.
uh-oh. It's coming up.
Oh no.
Okay, we gotta keep this twisted. Keep it spinning.
Uh-oh, it's coming up.
No.
No, turn!
Oh, no, it's not going to be us. It's going to be you guys.
Wait, no. Yeah.
Whoever's backwards.
So you're probably going to get it.
Waterfall.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no.
Turn!
Tony.
No!
Well, I love this ride. Don't get us stuck even more. Let's make it a little right here.
Oh no.
There's no more waterfalls.
No, there's another waterfall. Encore! Encore! Oh, done.
That water slap fall the first time we went out and scared us. So.
I know. You can see my pockets.
We were like, what's that noise? I've never gone down it though, facing it.
It's fun.
Yeah.
You get more of that roller coaster feeling.
Yeah.
No more water! Big old face!
You want to do it again? With coffee? You've done it twice?
You guys got kind of lucky though, because it was like right there that you go. Yeah.
You guys stay seated and stay on the... I'll let you move the same time. That's good though, doesn't it? Kind of dry.
Get your bags, guys. And your cups.
Which way's moving? It's just this way. That's weird. I got that roller coaster feeling now. See, that's what I told you. That's what I told you.
What?
That's what I told you.
Well, get my head wet. Hey, do you want to go again?
Can we? I think it's closed.
I want to go again. I never face backwards. I don't know what dropping like feels backwards feels.
Backwards?
No. Let's go again. Come on. Huh? Huh?